Stress is a non-specific response of the body to aggression or stimulation in order to cope with the resulting disturbance. While there is positive stress, or eustress, which encourages us to grow and push our limits, there is also negative stress or distress, which disrupts and causes all sorts of physical and psychological disorders. We can define 3 types of stress. Physical stress, noise, odor, trauma, injury, pain, extreme temperatures, toxic exposure, etc. Physiological stress, chronic infections, blood sugar imbalances, chronic pain, eating disorders, excessive physical exercise, fear, etc. Psychological stress, constraint, emotional aggression, anxiety, depressive states, dissatisfaction, fear, etc. It is not so much the aggressive agent that is pathogenic, but rather the body's reactions to this agent. All of these reactions make up the general adaptation syndrome. Indeed, the body mobilizes and reacts through a cascade of physiological responses that allow it to maintain a certain biological balance through a complex interplay of hormonal secretions and biochemical changes. If stress becomes chronic and is not treated, the secretions become excessive, reactions spiral out of control, and stress symptoms appear, eventually leading to the final stage of exhaustion. The effects of stress manifest as a combination of physical and psychological symptoms. Physical signs may be subjective, feeling of suffocation, oppression, etc., or objective, dizziness, hot flashes, dry mouth, tremors, appetite disorders, digestive issues, nausea, diarrhea, etc. Psychological discomfort is expressed through intense and unpleasant feelings, worry, anxiety, melancholy, rumination, pessimism, nervousness, etc., associated with behavioral symptoms, trouble concentrating, irritability, distorted perception of reality, increased consumption of alcohol, tobacco, sugar, coffee, chocolate, television, etc. Observed symptoms vary from one individual to another, depending on each person's physical weaknesses and, on the other hand, according to the intensity and duration of the stress. In fact, chronic stress may lead to physical or psychological conditions such as stomach ulcers, high blood pressure, heart rhythm disorders, eczema, asthma, weakened immunity, depression, etc. Lavender promotes relaxation and sleep. Put the flowers in 1 liter of water and bring to a boil. Cover, simmer for 5 minutes, then remove from heat. Let steep for 15 minutes. Strain and pour into bath water. Take a bath for 15 to 20 minutes. Magnesium chloride is recommended to regulate nervous conditions. Dissolve the magnesium chloride in water. Adults, 125 milliliters of the mixture every 6 hours for 48 hours, then every 8 hours until complete recovery. Children, consult a doctor. Because it contains linalool, jasmine has a relaxing scent. Place the fresh, fully opened jasmine flowers in neutral oil to macerate for 8 days. Strain and store in a bottle. Massage yourself, or be massaged, with the prepared oil. Thanks to its polyphenols, linden has calming and anxiolytic properties. Boil 20 g of linden flowers in 1 liter of water for 20 minutes. Strain the water. Drink 1 cup 3 times a day. If symptoms persist, consult a doctor. Warning: plants are not harmless remedies. Never exceed the recommended doses. Thank you for spending these peaceful moments with Soul Society. Remember, stress may be part of life, but how we respond to it can make all the difference. Embrace nature's remedies, listen to your body, and take gentle steps toward balance every day. If symptoms persist, always consult your doctor. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful, and join us next time as we continue to explore the natural world's healing gifts. Until then, stay kind to yourself, your soul deserves it.